So we're going to look at following the road ahead at the Junction 13 M4 A34 roundabout. You need lane 3 in order to go ahead to the A34 as it says on the floor. Lanes 1 and 2 only go M4 towards Hungerford, Bristol, Wales. The right lane is for turning right towards London. So you need to move off, check your left and right mirrors. You're looking for the bridge, and underneath the bridge the left lane, but you can't move to the left too much because of the M4 lanes. Check your left mirror, look over your left shoulder, keep checking it, aim for that lamppost with the cone, and then you're in the left lane, which is the lane you need to take the next exit. Quite hard, be careful, make sure you see if it's safe. Okay, so now we're looking at going southbound on the same junction at the roundabout with A34. You can see there's the hard shoulder on the left. Be careful, the line's not very clear, so make sure you position to the right of that dotted line. It is supposed to be solid, but it's difficult to see. So we've got a slip road. We don't want to be going too fast. We need to be checking mirrors now, signalling right, take a glance to the right, make sure it's safe. There could be something in the blind spot. There isn't, but there's something quite near me, so I'm just going to check it. Then I'm cancelling the signal straight away because I need to hop across to this next lane. The wide angle lens doesn't show you the sign on the right because it's too far away, but you need lane 3 in order to follow A34. You'll see the road marking on the floor. So same layout as the previous roundabout. The 2 lanes on the left go left. So same again, we need to be keeping where we are just to the right of the 2 lanes on the left. And as we go underneath the bridge in a minute on the roundabout, we need the left lane. So we're checking the left mirror, the right mirror, making sure there's nothing there. Sun's sort of hiding the view a little bit, checking that left mirror. I've actually just looked over my shoulder and I want the left lane where that lamppost is and that yellow sign. And then we're A34 going down south. So just be really careful. If you can't make it to the left, you can actually aim to go into the lane where the red car is, but you would need to move back to the left whenever you could. There we go. Hope that's been of help.